Hello, everybody. We decided we should be vlogging and we haven't been, so now we're gonna vlog. We're getting ready for breakfast.
I don't know how to neutral.
You don't know how to neutral?
Yeah.
You want me to do your eyeshadow for you?
I don't know, that's scary. Do you want to?
I mean, like, if I just do something like super natural and it takes me like a minute.
Do you want to?
Is that you asking me to?
Oh, what time do you want to?
I will, yeah. I'm just gonna do exactly what I would do right now.
Okay, I need my forehead set.
You've been setting your face for like 10 minutes.
Because I get creases on my eyes. Because not all of us have perfect.
Here.
Oh, that is weird. That's weird to look at. It's cute. It's
Let me see
weird.
them natural light heels. Are you gonna do something on me now?
Do you want me to? Do you want me to do something fun on you?
Okay, but still like breakfast appropriate.
Yeah.
Like Sydney neutral.
Like my neutrals.
Right.
Do you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no, I'm kind of scared. I don't want to look to see what colors you're using. Which one? Tell us which one. The one that scares Morgan the most. This one.
Oh, I don't hate you.
Thanks. Oh no, that's cute.
Yeah, I just did berry on. They're not berry. Like, I don't even know what these shadows are. Like the orangey, corally.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, no, I won't feel like a
Clown.
No.
No. I think it was subtle enough.
Yeah, it is. Okay.
We switched. We did
We're
it.
different.
Success.
We're going to do each other's lipsticks now.
Do you want me to overline your lips?
Duh.
Like how I do it?
Duh.
Do you want me like overline like me?
If it looks good.
Okay.
Okay.
Actually, yeah, I feel like this is like really different.
I try to do a little different for you.
Okay, I don't hate how you lined my lips either. Don't hate it.
So pink.
I know, that's my go-to.
It's so pink.
I like that color. Because here's the thing, I always go for like meow.
No, it's
That's, like,
pretty.
my new
Like,
lip.
it's pretty. It's just not like, it's not me.
I know, like this lip's not me either.
You played me. Like, we played each other.
Like, cute though.
No, it does look cute, but it's just like we both look weird.
We look like each other.
Just wait till the makeup swap. Dun, dun, dun. I feel like we did that, but like didn't explain, you know, kind of. So basically we have completely opposite preferences in makeup. So we always say for forever that we think it'd be so funny to like try each other's products and do each other's makeup. So we just did a little impromptu like mini look.
Eyes and lips.
Eyes and lips.
Would you be offended if I put this liner on?
No.
It's darker and it's pink.
It makes me feel grown. Like I feel like a woman.
Embrace it.
I feel like a grown ass woman. I feel like I need to be going to an office.
Really?
I don't know why.
Do you feel
It makes me look like my mom, maybe. Okay, so we need to get changed and stuff now. Are we ever gonna go to breakfast? What time is it?
Probably
2:15.
Wow. If you like if you don't use this, can I have this?
Is that naked too?
Oh wait, not this one.
This one?
This one. Whatever this was.
Let me see it.
I don't even know the brand.
I don't either. I think I got it in like a... Yeah, you can absolutely have this.
Tarina.
Here, take it home.
Tarina Tarantino.
Take it home. I don't want it.
Because like this is so pretty.
Have it.
This is so...
Take it.
It's so pretty.
Take it. I don't want it. You ready to rock and roll, baby?
Yeah. I just need you to let me know if any of my baby hairs start falling out of the bottom.
Okay.
Okay. I need my coat.
Okay. Want to man the vlog?
Yeah.
While I navigate us to the Northville town?
Yes. But I have a quick comment.
Yes.
My wallet's in my car, so I need to get that.
I got my Christmas tree and I didn't want to bring it inside because you guys were all coming over. So that I would have put it in my basement for storage, right? But I'm gonna put my tree up like this week. So it seems like a lot of work to take it to the basement and then take it back like upstairs just because you guys are coming over for like one night. So I just left it in my car.
Reasonable. Okay, so I'm excited for food. It's officially 2:35 and I have had a cup of coffee, some spinach dip, and a cookie. I am healthy.
Breakfast of champions. So you're not gonna get eggs Benedict. The place that we're going has the best eggs Benedict in the whole entire world, and you're not gonna get it.
I don't know. What do I want?
I don't know. I guess you can look at the menu and see, but I think you want the eggs Benedict and red skin potatoes with grilled onions.
And you like cut into it and everything, right?
Yeah, cut into it. I feel like if your reaction's like lame, then I'm gonna be sad. Be dramatic.
Probably won't. Okay, you want me to be dramatic?
Yeah, whether you like it or not, just be really dramatic about it.
Okay.
Like I'm so close to you. Okay?
Okay.
Just okay?
It's good.
It's beautiful. Alright, we'll reconvene at the end of the meal and see how you felt, okay?
Okay.
How was it?
It's really good.
I'm okay.
It was real. Oh, there's a dog over there.
Oh, it's a Frenchie.
Is he friendly?
Oh, is he friendly? Hello! Oh my goodness, hi! Okay, so you said you like it?
Yeah, it was really good.
Like, was it like the best breakfast you've ever had?
I mean, I really like pancakes, but it was really good.
Okay, next time we'll get pancakes. And then you can see.
You need to come in my house because there's a restaurant that does breakfast. I got pancakes with apple compote and cinnamon on it with whipped cream. So good. Mitchell ate it and almost cried. What are you?
So I'm not typically like a sweet person. Like I'll just get in a mood, you know, where I want sweets, but like typically day to day, like I'm not, like I don't love sweet breakfast. But like I'll come over and try your apple compote.
That pup was so cute. Did you get him on camera?
I couldn't like flip it around. I was going to like secretly behind that guy's back, but because I was filming my phone, I couldn't.
So are we doing anything?
He was like, he's go,
get down.
You go, is he friendly? And he runs and jumps on you. You're like, oh, okay, he's friendly. Yeah, so let's go to my parents' house.
Yes.
So I can give you stuff.
I love stuff. And you have more makeup at your mom's house?
I do.
So obviously if you didn't bring it with you, then it doesn't matter to you, right?
What do you mean?
Like if you didn't bring it with you to your
my current house? So the stuff at my parents' house is the stuff that I like am getting rid of.
So I can have.
So you can have all of it.
Any of it.
Any and all of it.
I love the white trim. White trim on houses makes, like, it's so much cuter. Like cream trim, no, that's ugly. White trim, yes.
Pause this now.
I'm a gamer girl. Yeah.
A gamer girl, a house builder gamer girl.
Yes, I'm a house builder gamer girl.
We're gonna go through my old makeup. When I moved, I was getting rid of a bunch of makeup, and now Sydney's gonna go through it. Here is the bucket of makeup.
I'm not.
How's your stuff?
I love it.
What'd you get?
Got some eyeshadow. I got a really obnoxious hot pink one.
So you can put it on my eyes?
Mm-hmm. I got a robe. That's not a part of makeup though. I got some lipsticks. I got a really pretty, was it Urban Decay? Urban Decay highlighter?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was really pretty.
Yeah, a problem with being a makeup crazy person is that you end up with too much. Take this.
Always too much.
And then you have to give it away. My camera is dead.
Rip. I look dirty. Like I just look like a dirty person.
You wash your hands.
I did wash my hands.
You're like, I swear I actually washed my hands.
I did wash my hands. Not the gumdrop buttons. I just
like,
set this right here.
And it's all about Sydney. Welcome to the Sydney show. I Oh, she jumped. She was excited. It's the end of the day.
Welcome to the end of the video.
Welcome to the end. Welcome to the beginning of the end. So basically, we're home and Sydney's gonna leave. So this is gonna conclude the vlog. This will be the end of the vlog. The vlog is over now. So we're gonna leave and
I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna eat the rest of this brownie.
And I'm gonna go to my parents' house and eat brownie and cake. Yeah, we say the things when we say goodbye. We say the things that go like, subscribe, and like it, and let us know what you want to see next.
Yeah.
And we'll probably have Sydney back pretty shortly. You can follow her on Instagram. She's glam_by_Sydney, right?
Correct. SYDNEY.
That'll be in the description box. You can follow her. And she does makeup and stuff, and eyebrows and stuff, and we'll be back doing more makeup another day. We have fun things planned, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe to see us again.
Thumbs up.
Or see me again, or just
To see Feezy again.
Okay, we'll see you in your next one. Bye!